I just met with the fourth client in a row that is concerned about the coming recession. Now, is there one coming? Experts all seem to think so. The only thing that's questionable is how bad is it going to be? Is it going to be a mild recession? Going to be a severe recession? Some of them are even using the D word with depression. Now, I don't think it'll be that bad, but I do think you need to prepare, and that's one of the reasons why, for our clients, we've created the Small Business Survival Kit. Now, it's an automated lead generation system, along with an automated appointment and reminder system, and an automated post-purchase thank you and review and referral collection system. Now, why have we done that? Because the way that you will get through this, no matter how mild or how bad it does get, is by doing a much better job of those three things than any of your competitors do. So we've made it super, super easy and super affordable. In fact, it's under $1 a day if you're in the US, a little over that if you're in Canada. The big difference is that really, if you think about it, you can't get an employee that cheap. And employees tend to do all kinds of dumb stuff lately, like not show up for work, or they send an email and then feel like they need to take a nap. With automation, it's going to work day in, day out. You're not going to have to worry about it. Have a look at it, see if it works for you. If you're not sure if it'll work for you, give us a call. There's a link right below the video. It says you can set up a call with us, and it's a complimentary 50-minute call. Let's talk about how to get your business through next year, because no matter what, it's not going to be as easy as it was over the last couple of years. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime.